Let's talk about assertions. So assertions are honestly a topic that I'm a little bit scared of. I generally don't use assertions in my code, uh, but they definitely have their place, and I think it would be a disservice not to talk about them. So basically, an assertion is a way to check if a conditional is true, and if it's true, your program keeps running, but if not, your program instantly terminates itself and it's done. So the reason you would use a assert is to check if something is insanely wrong and you can't continue with the way things currently are. So an example here is if the dog's age is greater than 0, things are okay. But this is essentially saying if the dog's age is less than 0, we have a major problem. A dog should never be -years old. And so using this assert, in this case, if the dog age is -3, when this program runs and it gets to this line, this conditional is going to fail because the dog age is less than 0, and the program will instantly terminate. So if you're in debug mode, you'll get an error with this following message that you have printed to the console, and hopefully you can kind of see the stack trace and where things went wrong. But the main issue I have with assertions, and I think this is the general practice, but you should not be using assertions in production code. And the reason is, if a user's using your app and you get to some line and you have an assertion and it fails, the app instantly terminates and the user has no idea what happened. A much better scenario would be for you to have some sort of conditional, and if you see a nasty situation like this, maybe kill some processes that you need to or whatever, but at least you could provide some sort of explanation to the user about what's going on and kind of have a smoother experience for them. So development assertions definitely have their spot, but my recommendation is do not put these into your production code.